Hey guys, ready for your daily dose of twist and wisdom? Let's go! 50 friendly frogs found fresh fruit for Friday's feast. Wow! Try saying that 5 times fast. Great. Next, Rome was not built in a day. Great things take time and effort. Don't expect instant results. Patience and persistence matter. Okay, next quiz of the day. I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even. What number am I? Option A 5, option B 7, option C 11, option D 9. Take your time and let me know your answer. Comment the answer. And that's your daily triple treat. A twist for your tongue, a thought for your mind, and a puzzle for your brain. Keep twisting, keep thinking, and most importantly, keep smiling. Hit like if you love